Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Programmer. And in this video I will be telling you about amazing hiring opportunity by Cognizant, which is hiring for the role of CIS. And first of all, before starting this video, I would like to tell you about what is CIS role in Cognizant. CIS role basically means Cloud Infrastructure and Security Service Practices role. It is all about embracing digital transformation by driving core modernization holistically across the layers. So, before telling you further, I would like to tell you about our channel, Cool Programmer. Our channel is providing latest job updates and interview tips to the freshers as well as experienced people. So you can go here and explore the playlists, and you can check out the latest job opportunities which are available. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now let us move back to the application. So Cognizant is hiring, and the application deadline is 22nd June 2022, and the CTC offered is 4 lakh 1,988 per annum, and the job responsibilities includes you should be responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise products like Windows, cloud computing, Office 365, and user computing, desk side services, and other business application to our global customers. You will have to collaborate with 5.6 million users globally to ensure seamless functioning of business. You will work in partnership with other business domains like banking, finance, insurance, communication, media, retail, healthcare, life science, technology consulting, etc. And you will provide expert solution on infrastructure, application, hardware, and software installations. And you will be accountable for gathering information through client conversation, ensuring optimal resolutions. And these are the other job responsibilities. And now let us discuss about the eligibility criteria. 2020 and 2021 batch of BE, BTECH, ME, MTECH, any specialization is allowed, and the candidates would need to hold 50% aggregate as per the school boards. And for the graduation also the criteria is same. You need to have 50% aggregate, and the gap that is allowed is maximum of 2 years. And the students who have applied for re-evaluation and waiting for results would be considered with the initial results code declared. And this job recruitment is open only to the Indian nationals, and you should have good strong written and communication skills, and you should be flexible to relocate anywhere in India, and you should be flexible to work in any shift and domain. So for applying to this job recruitment, you have to click on this apply now button, and then you have to add your email ID, and this form will open. Then in this form you have to fill your first name, last name as per the government records. Then you have to add your date of birth, your college name, and your primary email address, your password, and then you have to save and click on next. Then in the next forms you will have to add contact details, education, internship and work experience, and profile photo. So while filling out this form, if you need any help, you can click on this student help button, and this page will open. And in this page you can see there are section wise details for each and every section. So if you want to take help during the filling of this form, you can take from this form. So this was all about the job opportunity by Cognizant, which is hiring. So please apply as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching our video. So please like, share, and subscribe if you like our video. Thank you.